Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get verified on WhatsApp Business. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open the WhatsApp Business application on your phone. So of course, if you do have it on your phone, that's great. But if you don't, you would like to go and download it first of all. If you have a place, so of course, if you have an Android, you would like to go and download it from Play Store. Sorry, if you have an Android, you'd like to go and download it from Play Store, but if you have an iPhone, just go and download it from App Store, and you can even download it from any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go, of course, and log in into your account, or just go and create your account. You'll find out how to create your account in one of our videos in this channel. So let me just go here and open my WhatsApp Business application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So this will actually be your home screen. What is it? Chat just it's imported from my normal WhatsApp application, so don't mind that. And of course, if you want to get verified, first of all, let me just go here to the settings. So as you can see, you may have here even different settings than the normal WhatsApp. So of course, if you want to get verified on WhatsApp Business, all you need to do is 4 steps. So the first steps, you would like to get WhatsApp API access. So of course, you would like to sign up for the API and create your WhatsApp Business account with a business solution provider, which is the BSP, which is the business solution provider, as I said. And you will be up and running on WhatsApp today. So of course, then you will like the second step is you need just to start sending WhatsApp campaigns. And then the third, which is kind of the last one, is just to apply for the green tick through your BSP, which is, as I said, the business solution provider. So of course, the last step you will need to do is just wait for an approval. Business WhatsApp will actually contact you if you get it, if you get the verification, and you'll be good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.